Ever wonder what really happens to your money when you put it in an online bank? You're chasing those great rates, but in the back of your mind, you might be thinking, is my money actually safe? What's stopping it from just disappearing? It's a valid question. The world of online banking can feel a little different from your traditional brick-and-mortar bank. You don't have a physical building to walk into, a person to talk to face-to-face. But here's the thing, that doesn't mean your money is any less protected. In fact, when you bank with a name like BrioDirect, you have some of the most robust protections in the industry working for you, 24/7. So, how does BrioDirect protect your deposits? The single most important thing to know is that BrioDirect is the online brand of Webster Bank, N.A. This is crucial because Webster Bank, N.A. is a member of the FDIC, the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation. What does that mean for you? It means your deposits are insured by the FDIC up to the maximum allowable limits. Currently, that's up to $250,000 per depositor for each ownership category. This isn't BrioDirect just saying your money is safe, this is a guarantee backed by the full faith and credit of the U.S. government. And it's not just about that federal backing. BrioDirect also uses a range of advanced security measures. We're talking about industry-standard technology and protocols to ensure secure online account opening and safe mobile and online banking. They use things like multi-factor authentication and even biometric credentials like Face ID and Touch ID to keep your accounts locked down. So, while you're enjoying those fantastic high-yield rates, you can rest easy knowing that your money is not only working hard for you, but it's also safe and sound. It's the best of both worlds, high returns, and absolute peace of mind. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.